On today's video, we're going to be talking about stickers, specifically the difference between die cut stickers and kiss cut stickers, or more of you might know it as sheets of stickers, so that when you're thinking about purchasing stickers, you can make a good decision on what's best for your brand. Hey Hisway fam, it's Cedric, and today we're going to be printing some die cut stickers and kiss cut stickers, or sheets of labels. So we have this awesome design by Más Café Por Favor 2020, which is a local coffee shop here in San Antonio. So be sure to follow them on Instagram. But we're using their design to be able to tell you what the difference is between die cut and kiss cut stickers. So come on, let's head to the printer. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the artwork that's been provided to us and we're gonna import it into our design software. And once we do that, the next thing we got to do is we're going to size it to the size that is required for whatever your brand is going to use it for. And after we size it to that size, we are going to apply a cut line around the design. And the cut line is just how do we want the sticker to be cut out, in what shape or form. The next step is once we apply the cut line, and we are able to take that design and tell the design software how many stickers do we want to run. And so we're able to do a multiplication process. And after we've done that, we are able to send that design to our HP printer, which we use HP material. And because they both work very well with each other, we get awesome design print quality. So here we go, now it's printing. And so you can see how the print starts to come out. One of the things that you'll notice is that when you're sending it to the printer and you're about to cut either a die cut or a kiss cut sticker, you're going to see registration marks. The registration marks serve for the purpose of allowing the plotter to determine where the sticker is at and what needs to be cut out. So now it's done with the print. The next step, we're gonna take it to the laminator. We're either gonna laminate it with either a gloss material or a matte material. Whichever you think is best, it's gonna work for your brand. And so the purpose of the laminate is to be able to provide a protection over the print. The last thing you want is to be able to purchase stickers and you scratch them or you damage them. So the laminate is intended to be able to provide protection and prolong the longevity of the sticker that you're about to purchase. This is what we call our Graphics plotter. Some of you might be familiar with the Cricut, but this is our Cricut on steroids. This is a piece of equipment that we're going to use in order to either do the die cut or kiss cut stickers. And all it does is we load up the material, set it up on the registration marks, and pretty much hit go. And the equipment itself will read the registration marks and know where the design is at every moment. This is what allows us to cut the sticker out. And now we're back. We've cut our kiss cut stickers and our die cut stickers. And now it's time for you to make a decision. What's gonna work best for your brand? Die cut stickers. From the get-go, die cut stickers are very appealing to the eye. You have no excess of material around the sticker and they're cut to shape. Some of the pros for when getting die cut stickers is that you can sell them for profit, or you can just give them to somebody. Another thing, they become billboards for your brand, or they're a great way to advertise your business. So cons of die cut stickers is that they cost just a few cents more than kiss cut stickers or sheets of stickers. Another thing is that if your design has some very intricate parts or some thin lines that are sticking out, they could tend to bend because there's no support around the sticker. The other thing is that you might sit on them a little longer just to get rid of them. Or if you're applying them to your packaging or some cups, they take a little longer just to be able to fulfill that process or complete that task. So this is just some cons of when thinking about buying die cut stickers. So now you have sheets of stickers or labels. It's a kiss cut sticker. And basically that means that it's not cut all the way through the backing. Think of it as like an insurance policy. It helps to protect the sticker from getting bent or damaged. It's a little bit more cost effective when buying sheets of stickers. The other thing is that if you're using it for your branding or packaging or putting it on cups, It's very easy to peel and put on the packaging itself. So you just peel and go. You can apply it on cups, bags, or whatever you think is gonna work best for your brand. But here's some of the cons when thinking about buying Kiska stickers. Is that they're a little bit more bulky. Imagine carrying around sheets of stickers and handing them out. The next thing is it's not very eye appealing because you see the backing still there instead of just seeing the true design of the sticker. So which is better? Neither. So if you're a small business, what are you gonna use it for? If you're gonna use it for cups or packaging, then I would recommend Kiska stickers. But if you're gonna use it to sell and allow people to be billboards for your brand, then I would recommend a die cut sticker. It really comes down to what are you gonna use the sticker for. I hope you understand the difference between a Kiska sticker and a die cut sticker, so that way you can see what is best for your brand and your needs. My name is Cedric, and see you on the next video at Hisway Press to Print, where your brand matters.